Welcome to NBGI Class 10 Subject Economics. Today's topic, the sectors of the Indian economics. Sector of the Indian economics, to which activities are included to the economic activities. So we says the three types of economic activities. First is a primary economic activities. Second is a secondary economic activities, and third the tertiary economic activities. Up which activities are included? Both of the activities. Firstly, the primary economic activities. Primary economic activities, which activities are related to the land and water. Which activities are related to the land and water included to the primary economic activities. For example, agriculture, fishing, coal, mining, forest are included the primary economic activities. It means the good are produced by the exploiting of the natural resources. Natural resources. Nature is the vital role of the producing of the goods, like crops, humans and the nature. Cooperation of human and nature, we have grown the crops. So nature is a play important role in the primary activities. All the goods are produced by the nature, we including in the primary economic activities. Second is the secondary economic activities. Secondary economic activities, which activities are included? So, manufacturing of goods are included the secondary economic activities. For example, we have says that the primary sectors, primary sectors things are used convert to the other commodities. So we have called to manufacturing. Manufacturing is count in as secondary economic activities. For example, the wood changed to the furniture. When we have used manufacturing to the wood and convert to the useful of furniture is called to secondary economic activities. Convert to one thing to another things is called to secondary economic activities. Tertiary economic activities. This sector not produce any commodities or goods, but he provide the service for the primary and secondary sector. He provide the service to primary and secondary economic activities like transport, communication, banking, loan, etc., including in the secondary tertiary economic activities. If we have says when the farmer grow to the crops, he need to the transport system to crops go to the market. फैक्ट्री मार्केट में ले जाने के लिए किसकी आवश्यकता होती है? ट्रांसपोर्ट यानी सर्विस सेक्टर की। लाइक अ डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, टीचर्स आर प्रोफेशनल सर्विस, प्रोवाइड द प्रोफेशनल सर्विस, तो ही इंक्लूडेड इन द टेरिटरी इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर. अब all the sectors are dependent to the each other. All the sectors are interdependent to each other. When the primary sector are produce the good and sell to the factories, but the factories are not purchase his good, so the farmer lost and his good price are low. So the primary sector dependent to the secondary sector. When the primary sector farmer grow to the crop and not to sell to the factories, so the factories not found the raw material, so he was not manufacturing any goods, so he dependent to the primary sector. And secondary sector, tertiary sector, he provide the service. When the farmer grow to the crop, he help to the transport system, so he is sent to the good to the factories. And secondary sector, when he manufacturing to the good, his goods sell to the market and the consumer, so he need to the transport system, उसे भी transport. So all the sector, primary, secondary and tertiary sectors are interdependent to each other. Thank you.